So something that I think is really cool about the Alpha 10 is the fact that it's not a touchscreen. So a lot of people don't like the Alpha units because of the requirement that you have a touchscreen. The Alpha 10 does not have a touchscreen. Now, it is a little bit different in how you navigate around it. You have a couple of buttons. You have a power button. You have a stem, tone, vibe button. That's on this side here. And then you have a menu button. So you press the menu button, it takes you to the menu. You press it again, it takes you back to where you were. So menu, back to where you were. Now, to move around, you have a toggle. So this is how you do everything. You use the toggle switch to move around. So you can kind of see it's a little bit of a raised sort of thing, and it allows you to move around. So kind of cool in that you don't have to worry about a touchscreen, but if you are, on a level here with this dog and you need to change that level, you've got to do it like that. And then, so we're on continuous there. And so it's a little different. This is a product that I recommend to folks that have used an old Astro, say an Astro 220 or an Astro 430 or 320. If you're looking for a tracking system that's similar to that touchscreen, the Alpha 10 is a way to go. It has some really neat features as far as that goes. The advantage over the Pro 550 Plus from a tracking standpoint is the number of collars and handhelds that you can track. So with an Alpha 10, you can track 20 collars or handhelds, where with a Pro 550 Plus, you're limited to 3 collars. The Pro 550 Plus won't track handhelds, but it will track 3 collars, but it will only track 3. While this one has a huge advantage as far as e-collar functionality, the ability to raise and lower levels and change stimulation and all that, you can see the tracking is similar as far as how it looks, but it has limitations as far as what it can and can't do. So as long as you're not looking for a unit that has what I would consider to be really robust e-collar functionality, this is a good unit to go with. The other thing that you can do, and I don't have an additional phone here to show it, but you can pair this unit with the Alpha app. So with that, you can have a mapping functionality. So if you do want some mapping functionality, there's a way to do it.